Hello everyone, my name is Ceri, I'm presenter of the Hobby Room, and today I'm here to walk you through building an army using the new Battle Forge feature in the Warhammer 40k app. I'm using an iPhone for this, so the Android version may have some differences, but in this video I'm going to walk you through how to build an army and mention some things that you might have missed. One thing to note, this app is in beta, so there may be some functions not quite polished, but below this video I will include a link to the survey where you can submit issues and suggestions to Games Workshop. I am, however, in no way affiliated with Games Workshop, so this is just my own experience with the app. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to open the 40k app. Then click on Battle Forge at the bottom. If this does come up as a screen saying coming soon, then don't forget to update your app via the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. To get started on building an army, I'm going to click the big red button in the bottom right to add a new roster. Name the army first. Just as a note, you can't yet go back and change this, so make sure it is what you want. I'm going to be building a Space Wolf army today. You can add notes as well, if you needed to. I'm going to be choosing a Grand Tournament as my mission type, as this is the standard that I play most of my tournaments in, and going to be choosing 2,000 points as my army size. I'm then going to choose Imperium as my faction, because we are making Space Wolves. Start adding units to my army. I'll click on the army I've just made and add a detachment by clicking the big red button in the bottom right corner. I'm going to be choosing a battalion detachment here just to show you how to add units and customize them. Then need to select the faction for the detachment, which in this case is going to be Adeptus Astartes. Confirm in the top right. Now I'll click on the detachment I just added and select chapter at the top. This, of course, is going to be the best chapter, the Space Wolves. Just scroll down, find the ones that you want, and choose it as your sub-faction. Now I can either click on the unit type or use the big red button in the bottom right to add units. What I'm going to do is click on that big red button, and we can cycle through different units by clicking those options at the top. Just going to select a couple, just to throw in some options for us for the future. You can just go through and select whichever you want. Pull down on the tab to go back a page. And you can see here I've got some errors denoted by the warning in the bottom left corner of the screen. You can see these errors by clicking on the button. This screen shows me that I haven't chosen a warlord yet. So to do that, I click to options at the top of the screen. Here we can choose my warlord, my relics, and look at other things that need selecting, like litanies or psychic powers. Down in the bottom left, you also have your points limit, with how many points and command points I've spent and how many of each I've got left. Now we're going to go change the loadout of a unit. I'm going to choose this unit. Here I can add or remove models to the unit itself. And click Loadout on the top right hand corner to change the weapons as well, and click the little data sheet in the top right hand corner to bring up the weapon stats, rules and options. Once I've customised all my units to how I like and I've got a green tick in the bottom left of the screen, I can go back to the top level of Battle Forge, click the button in the top right hand corner to export my list or share it with friends. So there you go, a really quick rundown of how to use the Battle Forge update for the Warhammer 40k app. Remember, it is in beta, so there are some things yet to change and improve, and you can click on the link in the description to submit your feedback. I hope this helps. Let me know your thoughts in the comment, and I'll see you all next time.